Yes, children. In the previous video, we discussed about the integers and their comparisons. That means writing the integers in ascending order as well as in descending order. But here we are going to compare any two integers by using the symbols greater than or less than or equality symbol. How when they will become greater than, we can use the symbol less than, when we can use the symbol equality. We shall check now. The first one I have given you minus 100 dash plus 100. Only 100 means that is nothing but plus 100. Positive value only. Okay. So minus 100 and plus 100. In this, which one is bigger, which one is smaller? Simply, if you draw a number line, here itself you can draw with the help of pencil, or in the right margin you can draw. Middle you have to write 0. Plus 100 means this one, this side, right hand side. Minus 100 means this is left hand side. If you see, if you observe these two, what will happen? What you can conclude? This is the negative side, this is the positive side. So from 0 to right hand side all are bigger numbers and left hand side all are smaller numbers. So minus 100 is less than plus 100. So which symbol can be used? Less than. Okay. So this I am going to erase. Coming to second one. 30 and minus 40. 30 and minus 40 means, for this also, if you draw a number line, 0 is the middle part. This side minus 40 will be there, this side 30 will be there. So 30 and minus 40. 30 is greater number, minus 40 is smaller number. So 30 is greater than minus 40. Here minus 100 is less than plus 100. 30 is greater than minus 40. And the third one, minus 20 and minus 50. Here you have to find out the difference. I think you also got some doubt. If all the negative numbers are all the positive numbers, how to compare? Which one is bigger, which one is smaller? That also results. 0 is the middle of the number line. Minus 20 and minus 50. Both are the left hand side. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 up to so on. If you count minus 20 and after that you will get minus 50. According to the property of integers, leftmost side number is the smallest number. After that it is going to right hand side, the value will be increasing. So minus 20 is a greater number, minus 50 is a smaller number. So here minus 20 dash minus 50. Now if you compare these two, minus 20 I told you bigger number, minus 50 is smaller number. So minus 20 is greater than minus 50. Understand? We shall go to the next one. 50 and 65. This easily you can know. You can say, why? Because 50. 50 after 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 up to 65. That means if you draw the number line, 0 is the middle. Suppose I have taken 50 here, after 50 only I have to take 65. So now you can understand 50 is a smaller number and 65 is a bigger number. So 50 is smaller than 65. Okay. Next one. Minus 50. 50 is less than 65. Okay, very good. Now minus 50 dash minus 65. For this also we have to draw a number line. 0. First number 0, 2. Towards left. What is the first number in these two? Minus 50. After that minus 65. I already told you, leftmost number is the smallest number on the number line. This is the smallest. Okay. Comparing to these two, this is smaller. This is bigger. So minus 50 is bigger than minus 65. Minus 50 is greater than minus 65. Understood? Okay. Next one. 0 dash minus 5. 0 is having no symbol. It is neither positive nor negative. I told you already. 0 is the middle of the number line. Suppose a number is taken towards left to the 0, that will be lesser number. Towards right to the 0, that will be the greater number. So 0 dash minus 5. If you draw the number line, for each and every sum you have to draw number line. Is very easy. By using this number line only, you can write 0. Minus 5 is left side of 0. This is equal to. From these you can compare. Which one is bigger? 0 is bigger. Leftmost number is minus 5 is smaller. So this is the smaller, this is the bigger. So 0 is bigger than minus 5. For this 0 is greater than minus 5. Okay. All these totally I have given you 6 examples. In the 6 examples I have drawn the number line and after that we compare. Without drawing the number line, directly how to say which one is bigger and which one is smaller, that we shall see now. For all these examples, for 3 examples I will give, remaining 3 examples you have to do your own. Okay. So first, minus 100 plus 100. You have the answer. Minus 100 is less than plus 100. Okay. So we have to discuss. Minus 100. If you imagine the number line in your mind, if you imagine this is negative number, that is positive number. All the negative numbers are less than positive numbers. Negative numbers are on the left hand side of the number line. 0. Left hand side to the number line. And all the positive numbers are right hand side to the 0. That's why these all are positive numbers are more and these are smaller. Smaller numbers and bigger numbers. So directly we can write minus 100 is less than plus 100. So 30 and minus 40. Here we will use a small trick. What is the trick means? This is 30. This is 40. Just to forget about the symbol. 30 and 40 you can compare. Which one is bigger? 40 is bigger. Okay. The bigger number is having negative symbol, that will become the smallest number. The biggest number which will have minus symbol will become smallest number. The smaller number which will have positive number, that means plus symbol, will be the bigger number. This only you have to remember. It's a small trick. Suppose we have written number of unlimited numbers, we have written 100 or 1000 or 2000 numbers we have written. In those, if you put any negative symbol to any number, that will be the smallest to all the numbers. Okay. Here 30 and minus 40. Minus 40 is the smaller, 30 is bigger. So 30 is greater than minus 40. Coming to next one. Minus 20, minus 50. Forget about these symbols. 20 and 50. According to our number pattern, 20 is smaller and 50 is bigger. But 50 is having negative symbol. So this is smaller. 20 is also having negative symbol. Then no problem. But minus 20 is bigger than minus 50. If you are writing the numbers towards the left, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, like that towards the left, if you write the bigger numbers, with negative symbol will become the smallest. So minus 20 is greater than minus 50. Okay. Here 50 and 65. How to compare this one? That you have to do your own. 50 and 65 less than. How? After 50 you will get 51, 52, 53 up to 65. So 50 is smaller and 65 is bigger. Okay. Minus 50 and minus 65. The same thing with changing the symbols. If you compare these two, 65 is bigger and 50 is smaller. So I remove the minus symbols. Now if I show you the minus symbols, originally 65 is bigger, but if I keep the negative symbol, it is the smaller, and this will become the bigger. Okay. Next, 0 dash minus 5. Suppose only I have taken 5, 0 and 5, 5 is bigger, 0 is smaller, but I kept minus. That's why minus 5 is lesser than 0. So 0 is greater than minus 5. Okay. So this is the comparison of numbers, integers on the. See children, now this is the worksheet for you. You have to fill in the blanks by using greater than, less than or equality symbol. So you have to compare the given two numbers, which one is bigger and which one is smaller, or both are equal. Here I have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 I have given you. So these 9, you have to pause the video for 2 minutes. You have to note down on your sheet of paper and write the answers in the blanks. Okay? Please note down.